If you're looking for a light-hearted film that is great for the whole family to see, then you might want to check out Monster Trucks, opening this January. The story follows the main character Trip, a high school senior who builds a monster truck out of random pieces from old scrap cars.
What are you?
However, after a recent accident at a close-by oil drilling site, a strange creature is disrupted and has an affinity for speed and just the right amount of talent.
I want to help you. We're a family. What do you need? Trucks.
The two pair up in what could get the senior out of this small town. For other stories, like our Facebook page to watch more Hollywood updates.